turn it. Okay, so today's video will be based on this wig. Yes, ma'am. Hold on. I am, how tall am I? 5'6". My mom still tries to be funny, so I'm pretty sure she'll be making a comment as she watched this. But I am 5'6", and this is my back right here, and this is how long the wig comes. Hello. I thought you would come out. Okay. And so I am like really not really short, but anyway, got a really long torso. So but I pointed at, that's like the middle of my back. It's really hot, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is a Swiss lace front wig. I ordered her off of SAMSBEAUTY.com along with some other wigs. So later on you'll see me pull out some more wigs, but I wanted to pull out her first because y'all ain't never seen me pull out no copper before. I was always told that I should try dyeing some bundles copper, and I was gonna do that. Trust me, I am. But you guys know I am extremely busy. Even though coronavirus is still out, I haven't stopped working. My job hasn't closed down, and I also am taking summer classes to be on track so I can graduate next spring. So I am basically working like ridiculous amount of hours, but neither here nor there. Let's get into this wig. So this is the Swiss lace wig, and her name is Houston. Yeah. Okay. And it's in color golden copper. She says she is heat friendly up to 400 degrees. In the video you'll see me put my hot comb. I put my hot comb to the part a little bit. I didn't even put no concealer in the part. I'm gonna leave her basic because like when she go outside with me, I'm about to go out. So when she go out with me, I'm a little afraid how she gonna act in this humidity. I mean, it is a completely synthetic wig. 100% synthetic. I don't do baby hairs on any of my wigs because I have a very weird hairline. I have a peak in the middle of my head, and then my two sides about right here, they come out to about right here, so it's very hard for me to be able to hide that and do sideburns without my wig being like this. I don't have any forehead, so I always find wigs that, you know, do me okay. And as you can see, like my real hair is still like right there, so I find wigs that kind of cover that part because that's my problem. She feels, I mean I've been running around the house trying to get myself together and talking to my mom, as you heard her come into my room. Shout out to her. She did these ugly braids that y'all gonna see in a second. Well, they're not ugly, they only ugly now because it's been like a week and a half that I had them in my head, but because like I always end up begging her, I always have to leave them in for a long period of time because she always be like, I ain't doing them again. So I always gotta, you know, make her believe they've been in for a minute. So this wig, it's my first time, like y'all about to see me put her on and see her put her on how I put on my wigs. I normally don't glue them down, but today I did because I was just feeling generous for you guys. I know I haven't gave you guys a lot of videos, and I'm really sorry. I'm trying. I got a lot going on. I'm trying. I promise you I'm trying. I'm trying, y'all. Please believe me when I say I'm trying for you guys. Please, 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 please. I got so much going on, and then picking up extra hours at my job, just whew. So some videos that I'm gonna be posting soon. Okay, flyaways. Some videos that I'm gonna be posting soon, you're probably gonna see me in the same outfit or something of that sort. Please bear with me. Just know that I'm trying to knock out more videos for you guys because I owe you guys so many videos. The last video I posted was almost 3 weeks ago. That's what you're doing, girl. Your color babes need you, and I know you guys need me. So with that being said, you guys know how I hate talking so much and I hate videos that talk so much. I'm gonna head right into this video. You're gonna see me take her completely out the package, show you the construction of the wig, which is, I believe, 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back. Just the only thing that's really lace is this part and a little bit of the headline. Like I said, she's synthetic, so you gotta treat synthetic wigs with care. Shout out to my girl Kennedy, because she also created, even though she created that intro y'all just seen, she about to create that well, she already did create that outro y'all gonna see at the end of the video. So please guys, I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I post. Don't forget that you're always a color babe, and when you're a color babe, I love you guys. Sooner or later, I have some great news for you guys. Hopefully it'll be perfect and pristine in August, so I could definitely tell you guys about my great news that I have for you guys, because I mean, I always try to give you guys something great. And so with that great news come August, if it's together by August, I really hope it is, because I mean, I really needed to be together by August. Pray for me, y'all. But if it's not ready by August, it'll be ready by September. But don't let that slip your mind. Great news coming for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when I post. And yeah, I love you guys.
I'm black. Yo, Smalls, turn up. I'm black. Yo, because I'm black and I'm black. Yo, I'm black and I'm black, y'all. And I'm yo, I'm black, y'all. And I'm black, y'all. Black, y'all. And I'm black, y'all. I'm black, y'all. And I'm black, y'all. Black, y'all. And I'm black, y'all. I'm black, y'all. And I'm black, y'all. 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 I'm black, y'all. And I'm black, y'all. 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 I'm black, y'all. And I'm black, y'all. Black, y'all. And I'm black, y'all. Black, y'all. And I'm black, y'all. And I'm black, I'm back, shut the black, and 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 I'm back, I'm black, I'm black, I'm black, I'm black, y'all, and I'm black and you're black, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, 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 I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, shut the black, and I'm back, 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 I'm black, 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 and black, yo, because I'm black and I'm black, yo, I'm black and I'm black, yo, and I'm black and you're black, and I'm black. Yo, Smalls, turn up, I'm black. I'm black and black, yo, because I'm black and I'm black, yo, I'm black and I'm black, yo, and I'm yo, I'm black, yo, and I'm black, yo, black, yo, and I'm black, yo, I'm black, yo, and I'm black, yo, black, yo, and I'm black, yo, I'm black, yo, and I'm black, yo, 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 I'm black, yo, and I'm black, yo, 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 I'm black, yo, and I'm black, yo, black, yo, and I'm black, yo, black, yo, and I'm black, yo, black, yo, and I'm black, I'm black, and I'm back, shut the 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 black, and I'm back, I'm black, and I'm back, shut the 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 black, and I'm back, I'm black, I'm black, I'm black, I'm black, I'm black, I'm black, black, I'm black and black, yo, because I'm black and I'm black, yo, I'm black and I'm black, yo, and I'm black and you're black, and I'm black, yo, and I'm black, yo, and I'm black, yo, black, yo, and I'm black, yo, I'm black and I'm black. 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 Black, I'm black and black, yo, because I'm black and I'm black. Yo, I'm black and I'm black, y'all, and I'm black and black and I'm black, yo. I'm black.
Yo, Smalls, turn up
I'm
one, bro.
black. I'm black and I'm black, yo, because I'm black and I'm black. Yo, I'm black and I'm black, y'all, and I'm yo, I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, 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 I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, 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 I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, I'm black, y'all, back, shut the black, and I'm 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 back, I'm black, and I'm back, shut the 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 black, and I'm back, I'm black, I'm black, I'm black, I'm black, I'm black, I'm black,
Yo, Smalls, turn up one, bro.
black, I'm black and black, yo, because I'm black and I'm black. Yo, I'm black and I'm black, y'all, and I'm black and black and I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all.
Paving this shit crank.